Hello. Meaning, a common greeting. Example, hello. How are you? Please. Meaning, a polite request or expression of politeness. Example, please pass me the salt. Thank you. Meaning, an expression of gratitude. Example, thank you for helping me. Goodbye. Meaning, a farewell expression. Example, goodbye. See you later. Sorry. Meaning, an apology or expression of regret. Example, I'm sorry for my mistake. Yes. Meaning, affirmative response. Example, yes, I would like some water. No. Meaning, negative response. Example, no, I can't come right now. Help. Meaning, to assist or aid someone. Example, can you help me with this problem? Friend. Meaning, a person you like and enjoy spending time with. Example, she's my best friend. Family. Meaning, a group of people related by blood or marriage. Example, my family is coming over for dinner. Excuse me. Meaning, polite way to get someone's attention or to apologize. Example, excuse me, could you help me? Food. Meaning, what we eat for nourishment. Example, I love Italian food. Drink. meaning to consume a liquid. Example, I'm thirsty. Can I have a drink? Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more vocabulary, only English vocabulary.